Chesapeake Beach is on the brink of a major digital transformation that promises to revolutionize how residents connect to the internet. The town has recently finalized a partnership with ThinkBig Networks, a Maryland-based internet service provider, to roll out a comprehensive fiber optic network throughout the community. This upgrade is designed to meet the surging demand for faster, more reliable internet in southern Maryland, offering locals a powerful new option for high-speed connectivity. Construction is expected to kick off in late September or early October 2025, marking a pivotal moment in Chesapeake Beach's journey toward a modernized telecommunications infrastructure. In the weeks leading up to the start of construction, residents will begin to see crews marking underground utility lines along streets, driveways, and roadways. These markings, often small flags or temporary paint, are crucial for ensuring the safe and precise installation of the fiber optic cables, preventing any accidental damage to existing utilities. To keep everyone in the loop, the town plans to distribute door hanger notices that will outline the project's timeline and what residents can expect during the construction phase. Moreover, a community engagement session is tentatively scheduled for September 18, 2025. This event will serve as an open forum where residents can learn more about the fiber optic rollout, ask questions, and interact directly with town officials and representatives from ThinkBig Networks. ThinkBig Networks brings a strong track record to this project, having already provided fiber optic internet services to several Maryland counties, including Charles, Harford, Kent, and Queen Anne's. Their fiber optic technology offers significant advantages over traditional copper-based internet connections, such as much faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, which means less delay in data transmission, and greater overall reliability. These improvements are especially important as more households rely on smart devices, streaming platforms, and remote work setups. ThinkBig also prides itself on a customer-centric approach, featuring transparent pricing and local customer support, qualities that align well with Chesapeake Beach's commitment to delivering high-quality services to its roughly 6,400 residents. This fiber optic initiative is part of a larger movement across southern Maryland to enhance broadband access. For example, Charles County has partnered with ThinkBig Networks to extend fiber-to-the-premise services to rural communities like Nanjamoy and Cobb Neck. Chesapeake Beach's investment in this technology not only supports economic development but also improves residents' quality of life, especially as remote work and online education become increasingly common. The decision to install the fiber optic cables underground reflects a thoughtful approach to preserving the town's natural beauty and charm. Unlike overhead lines, underground cables are less vulnerable to weather-related disruptions and do not detract from scenic areas such as the Chesapeake Beach Railway Trail and Bayfront Park. The upcoming community engagement session will be a vital opportunity for residents to gain a clear understanding of the project's schedule, benefits, and any temporary inconveniences they might face. Town officials are asking for patience during the construction period, acknowledging that minor disruptions are inevitable, but emphasizing that the long-term payoff, a robust, future-proof internet infrastructure, will be well worth it. As Chesapeake Beach embarks on this ambitious upgrade, it positions itself as a forward-thinking community within Calvert County, ready to embrace the digital future while maintaining the small-town atmosphere that residents cherish. But here's where it gets controversial. Some community members might question whether the disruption and costs associated with such a large-scale infrastructure project are justified, especially when wireless technologies continue to evolve rapidly. Is investing heavily in fiber optics the best long-term strategy, or could emerging alternatives eventually render this upgrade obsolete? What do you think? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. David M. Higgins II is an award-winning journalist dedicated to uncovering the truth and sharing compelling stories. Born in Baltimore and raised in southern Maryland, he has lived in several East Coast communities and brings a deep understanding of the region to his reporting. More by David M. Higgins II, publisher-editor, https The southernmarylandchronicle.com/author/David Higgins. I always